Hey, it's Titus with Official App Reviews. Today we pick up on our third app of the fitness app series with the Nike Training Club app. Learn how the Nike Training Club app can become your free personal trainer. Stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss this. Nike has dominated the fitness gear industry since I can remember. That dominance transitioned from the fitness device market now to the fitness app arena. Our first fitness app review covered the Nike Plus Run Club app, and now we're here to show you a sister app, the Nike Training Club app. If you're a fitness novice who's looking for a place to start your fitness journey, the Nike Training Club app is a good app to give a try. The Nike Training Club app can be downloaded for free from the App Store and the Google Play Store. The link for this app can be found in the video description below. For those who are familiar with the Nike Plus Run Club app, the app layout will look very familiar. Let's get right into the workouts available for your personal training experience. For those who are beginners, my advice is to tap the My Plan tab and choose one of the 4 options available. For this demonstration, we're going to use the starter plan. Here you provide us some basic information regarding the workout plan to include who is the intended audience, equipment needed, and what's the workout great for, and what you'll do during the workout. Tap Begin Setup. In the Plan Setup tab, you will select if you want to work out with equipment or not. We're going to select equipment and select medicine ball since we have one available. Next, select how many workouts you intend on completing each week. You will then be prompted if you would like to include runs with your plan. This feature links the Nike Training Club app to the Nike Run Club app. Next, select your current activity level. Then select your start date. Lastly, select Build My Plan. What's cool about the app is that your workouts are tailored to your schedule and can be adjusted on the fly. Once you're complete, tap Got It. If you ever need to edit your plan, tap Edit. Here you can edit how frequently, difficulty of the plan, equipment available, or if you want to end the plan. Scroll down to preview your workout plan for this week. When your workout day arrives, select the workout. Tap Download to download the workout. Prior to beginning the workout, if you want to choose a music playlist, tap the music icon and your Apple Music library will be displayed. Here you can choose a playlist, artist, or album to listen to during your workout. To start the workout, tap Start, and your trainer will give you a brief description of the workout and any equipment that may be required for this workout. Once the workout starts, the app will provide you a video demonstration of each movement and a timer. When the time expires on a particular movement, the app will switch to the next movement until the workout is complete. Once you're complete with the workout, tap End Workout. The Workout tab allows you the ability to search for a workout, or you can browse workouts by muscle group, workout type, workout collections, and several other choices. There are tons of workouts to choose from. This is definitely one of the app's highlights. The Feature tab displays the feature workout picked for you based on your activity. If you'd like to view more feature workouts, swipe right. When Nike adds a new workout, it will be displayed in the new workout or new workout collection section below. The workout collections are often professional athlete endorsed workouts. In the Feed tab, you will see activities shared from your friends and Nike. You have the ability to add friends, which will display in the People You May Know section. The Activities section details a list of all your Nike activity history including any runs that were logged using the Nike Run Club app. The Club tab allows you to add friends, search for events, and follow community hashtags. To add a friend, tap the icon on the top right. There you will find your suggested friends, the ability to link your account to your Facebook profile to find your Facebook friends who are using the app, and also the Contacts tab, which will display friends in your contacts who are also Nike Plus app users. The Events tab allows you to search for Nike events worldwide. As you can see, there are a few events coming up soon in Los Angeles. Select an event to find out more information. If you intend on participating in the event, tap the RSVP and complete the form. The Inbox tab will display messages from Nike. You will find an Edit Profile button on the top left-hand corner of the app. Here you will be able to upload your profile photo, edit your name, hometown, and upload a bio. The Pass tab will display your unique QR reader, which you can use at Nike stores for exclusive offers. The Events tab will display Nike events in your area. And the Events tab, you can edit personal data such as your height and weight. Workout settings will allow you to change your audio settings during your workout. Partners will display apps that you have connected to the Nike Training Club app. The Training Club app works well with the Nike Run Club app. Notification preferences will allow you to receive notifications for weekly recaps of your workouts and also workout reminders. The privacy settings also allows to change who has access to search for you and also view your shared activity. Being a user of the Nike Training Club app gives you exclusive access to Nike gear. In closing, the Nike Training Club app is a great app that provides personal trainer features to include exercise demonstrations, built-in timers, and allows you to interact with a large community of other fitness enthusiasts who frequent the Nike brand apps. For beginners, this is a no-brainer. Go out and give the app a shot. Let me know which workouts are your favorites in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. For the current star rating of this app, head over to oappreviews.com where you'll find a breakdown of the current version of the app. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next week.